Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to zoom in and out of the Google Chrome web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up Google Chrome and select the three-dotted menu icon up at the top right. And then you want to go down where it says zoom. You can click the plus or minus sign to zoom in or out. Alternatively, you can also tap the control key on your keyboard and then using your mouse scroller wheel in the center, zoom in or out by scrolling up or down. So by scrolling up on your pointer button, you can make it bigger. Conversely, if you scroll backward or towards you, it'll make the page smaller. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.